Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is another video in a series of 5-minute pitch deck review and investor sourcing strategy series that I have put out to help clients understand how I can help them with their pitch decks and their investor presentations. I see around 600 pitch decks in the last 2 years. About 80% of them are not suitable to be put in front of an investor. So part of my service is trying to help clean them up, fix them up, and make sure that they're really, really impactful. This video focuses on the fashion and beauty sector. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years of experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing, spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. Over the past 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 300 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. In addition, I serve as an advisor to a New York-based private equity firm with capital commitments of $10 billion. This capital is strategically allocated to projects across the Middle East, Asia, and the USA, with a focus on income-generating real estate. The firm offers both debt and equity financing with investment sizes ranging from $10 million to $100 million per project. If you want more information about my services, just click the Fiverr link below. So, a review of my services. I provide clients with pitch deck reviews, pitch deck strategy, investor targeting strategy, investor targeting with sector databases, and custom fundraising initiatives. My databases include over 400,000 key contacts, which include private equity, venture capital, angel groups, family investment offices, investment banks, and more. And these are global contacts that can be used for fundraising for your startup. My pitch deck reviews, they include an initial review with an executive summary, a preferred pitch deck format with copy and design suggestions that I'll make for you. I include FAQ section and an investor FAQ section so you get to understand what investors are going to ask you. Investor outreach letter will be created, and I'll do some investor targeting with some database suggestions from my database. So if we take a quick look at a slide on the fashion and beauty sector, again, how I help clients with their pitch decks. A lot of times I'm just looking for some key impactful things to help them out with. Most of the time when you're looking at the fashion and beauty sector, these are actually smaller startups, almost always looking for less than $150,000. And to be honest, they're not really a typical venture capital type of a play. They're more of an angel investor or finding somebody that's willing to buy into what they're trying to launch. So for example, if you're looking to launch something in the fashion and beauty sector, what are the key elements for investor appeal? One, scalability. That's almost the most important thing, is the plans for expanding and growing the business. Second is a revenue model, understanding diversifying income streams. So if you're launching a particular beauty product or something in the fashion industry, there's accessories and other things that can be added on. Those are really key things to hone in on. Product innovation, that's incorporating new features and sustainability in products. There has to always be a little bit of a something that's very, very key and hits the investors' heartstrings, as I like to say. So it has to be something that's just not a typical, perfume or type of dress or a clothing item, belts, anything like that. It has to be something that somebody can really latch onto. Customer acquisition, really important. Strategies on how to attract and retain customers effectively. One thing to keep in mind, an investor does not want you to fund your marketing. They really want that money to go into something a little bit more substantive. And brand identity, so this is the unique characteristics that define the brand's market presence. So by adjusting these key areas in your pitch deck, you can create a compelling narrative that captures the attention of potential investors in the fashion and beauty industry. I'm also going to help you with building a perfect pitch deck, which will include the business strategy, market analysis, company overview, and contact information points. Do you need help with your fundraising? Click my Fiverr link below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.